This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade or buy PS Plus on your PlayStation 5 or other subscriptions like EA Play or something like that, or Ubisoft. Now, just on the home screen here, we want to go on over to the PlayStation Plus icon right here, and this is how we can easily upgrade it or buy it if we don't have it. So we can go to upgrade right here. So I already have it, and I can upgrade for, looks like $76 for the remaining 350 days, or otherwise I can get extra or essentials right here. So you can compare the plans, look at all the different options what you get. So I just have essentials just because I only need to play online, so you can buy it right there, and then you can back out too, and you can go over to the PlayStation Store, then go on down with the D-pad and go up and go over to subscriptions. Now you do have the option to upgrade and buy right here as well, so we can explore. It's going to bring you to the same section. So if we go on down under here, here is Ubisoft Classics. We can go ahead and get that. Grand Theft Auto Plus for online, EA Play. You can view the games that are listed in here. Maybe you want to go ahead and get this subscription as well. And you can just check out all the different games if they load. Not really loading for me. Then we have the PlayStation Plus game catalog. Make sure you're just adding these games to your account each month because they're free. Why not? You can go ahead and just play them at any time then. So that is how you can purchase the PlayStation Plus and other subscriptions. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.